If you want to know how to add an email sign-up form to your Instagram bio link fast, and you don't want to waste time digging through clunky tutorials, this is the guide you've been looking for. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and I'll show you exactly what works best, step by step, in under 3 minutes. And if you stick around till the end, I'll also show you how to get exclusive access to a free trial of the software we'll be using, only available to viewers of my channel. So let's get right into it. First, you need a tool that can create a mobile-friendly landing page with an email sign-up form. The software we'll be using does exactly that. It's simple, looks great on mobile, and connects directly to your email list. I've tried Linktree, Beacons, ConvertKit, MailChimp, and a few others. But the software we'll use in this video is the one I personally recommend for its simplicity and clean design. Step 1. Sign up for a free trial using the link in the description. It's completely free for viewers of this channel and gets you full access to the features we're using today. Step 2. Once you're in, click Create New Page. Pick a simple template, something clean that matches your Instagram aesthetic. Step 3. Drag in the email sign-up block. Rename it to something like Get My Free Guide or Join the Weekly Tips List. Something short and clickable. Step 4. Connect your email provider or use the built-in one. You can send leads directly into a welcome email or just collect them to export later. This step only takes a minute, and the software walks you through it with prompts. Step 5. Click Publish and copy the link to your page. Now, jump into Instagram, hit Edit Profile, and paste that link into your bio under Website. Done. Now anyone who taps your bio can sign up right from their phone, and you're building your email list 24/7. If you're wondering why this matters, email is one of the only platforms you truly own. Instagram followers can disappear overnight, but an email list gives you direct access to your audience whenever you want. That's why adding an email sign up to your Instagram bio link is one of the smartest things you can do if you're serious about growing your business or brand. Quick recap. Use the free trial link in the description to access the software. Create a landing page with an email form. Customize the form and connect your email list. Publish and paste the link into your Instagram bio. The key takeaway? Don't just post content, convert your followers into subscribers. Adding an email sign up to your Instagram bio link is fast, easy, and the first real step to building something sustainable. If you haven't already, hit the link below to claim your exclusive free trial and follow along with the exact setup I just walked you through. I only recommend what I actually use, and this tool makes the whole process effortless. That's it. Now go turn your Instagram into a list building machine.